Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. So let's drag this video here onto our timeline, and then you want to come over to the right hand side here when you're at the very start with the playhead, and come down and you want to select blend here. Then you want to select the keyframe here in opacity, and you want to make the opacity 0. Then you want to move the playhead on slightly, then make the opacity 100. If you watch, the keyframe will automatically add once I let go here. There you go, as you see. So when we play that, you've faded in. You can adjust the keyframe here if you want the fade to be longer. Now, how do you fade out? Come to the very end of the clip, highlight it, blend, opacity, add a keyframe. Now let's move it to 0. Then move the clip in, set the opacity up to 100, and there you go, you've faded out. So that's how to fade in and fade out in CapCut. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.